Let's make some buttercream flowers. So there are 4 main things you're going to need: stable buttercream, flower piping tip, a flower nail, and lots of parchment paper. So first we're going to turn our buttercream into a Play-Doh type consistency, and we're going to use this as our bud. Then we're going to use some soft pink coloring to get a nice soft pink color. We're going to use some pink coloring to get a little two-tone action going on with our flowers. So we take one color and smear it on one side of the piping bag, and you take the other color and you put it on the opposite side. We're going to be using a rose tip 104. And this is the first method. We're using a flower nail. You put your parchment paper on it, you put a little blob of your Play-Doh type consistency, and you're going to make one little bud. Then from the bottom you're going to arch up and go down, and you're going to make 3 little petals. You hold in the thin part of the tip to the top and the thick part to the bottom. So around your 3 petals you're going to make about 5 petals. You try to go in odd numbers because apparently that's how normal flowers or natural flowers go in nature. So I think I'm on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and one more for good measure, 8th petal. And there you get a really nice rose. We're going to pop that into the freezer for an hour so we can work with it later. So the second method is using a turntable. We do the same thing: parchment paper in the center, blob in the middle, and this one we're going to make a peony flower. So you're making short little petals. Feel free to use your finger and you just keep going around with those short petals. And you can make them slightly longer as you're going around, but the idea is to keep it nice and close because that's what a peony looks like. I personally prefer using the flower nail because I feel like I have a little more control and I can bring it close to me so I can see what's going on. You can fill the gaps, you can stop your flower from looking lopsided. But I really just love looking at buttercream flowers being made. Look at all those pretty flowers. Wow, so pretty and so pink. Okay, so let's make this cake. We have a 2-layer vanilla cake with some vanilla buttercream crumb coat. Then we're going to use some nice thick green vanilla buttercream on the outside. We want to do a little border, so we're going to use a little thicker buttercream. When you want to use those combs, you need to use some thick buttercream so the white doesn't show through. So just go round and round. Now we're going to put those flowers on. When they're frozen, they're very easy to work with. You just pick them up, drop them on the cake like a sprinkle. There we have it. Look at those roses. So pretty, so easy to do. Try them out. Freeze them, that's the trick. If you do try it out, leave a comment below and let me know if it worked for you. Let me know if it was easy. Let me know any problems you're having and I'll try my best to respond.